The how to earn extra money at home, the 10 ideas, the Upwork site. This is the work from home. Upwork site is the very trusted Upwork site. This is the guideline. How to extra earn money at home, the 10 ideas, the 10 ideas, the how to tell ideas. Looking for way to make money, extra money at home while you, the standard student and caregiver, just have some free time. You can earn additional income by processing an online gig from home. The think about your creative skill and state experience and how to can it process an online get from as an independent professional. If you can choose the house that you level work the oil to can easy in project can convince an hour once of the bearing the request client to our my even able to run and the prospect into the full-time job. How to work, how you if you are looking to oil make extra money, here is some ideas then is the start right now. The 10 oil number the 10 oil the 10 oil this is the 10 oil in extra money. Number one, start blogging. Number two, take a part of in survey. Number three, test website and apps. Number four, because a private tutor. Number five, consider the freelancing. Number six, become a virtual assistant. Number seven, help banner with the marketing. Number eight, because a copywriting. And number nine, work for data analytics specialist. Number six, launch his online business. This is the 10 or start blogging. Successfully blogging grows in increase in case control audition. This is the specific home ideas. You can potentially yourself as an expert you own traffics and write and help blogging articles and think the right and search engine. Think about when to trading and then subject. You know a lot of about this side invest you one your blog you close write in mostly an articles like receive and there's the product reviews and our brands out in different type of content with the videos and prints. You can promote your blog on the social media channel like Instagram, YouTube, and helping etc grow your audience. What do you need a start blogging? All need a start blogging. The platform or earning control with is the about bearing and once of the website might be cost and taken then create and control the blogging can because a fund the hope can your creative online can earn an additional income and of time. If you need help starting that use the website, you can shop and create. And this find the independent professional to build your blog, working with you at the budget. How to blog make money, how to blogs make money. You blog if you great traffic and website can you as an affiliate partner advertising and affiliate partners great commission there are late and free difference and each sales the make let's say you have a blog about fitness, a young company a own companies maybe to work you and us affiliate to promote your equipments. If you make the 10% commission even sales from your blog links. And this is called the advertising the platforms skill and Google AdSense. Look at the website with lots of traffic advance. You can code and work with Google AdSense and great paid else at among the few and create. The Houston is then can quick and this is the user dailies and pattern hosting. The take part in service. Number two, the companies work in the host and feedback, create the service, and then the response in service and ideas in make money and details. The how you do need starting and taking part the part of service. Beginning this is beginning the practical issues and the service audience records may be specific, careful, and traffic social media skill and upbringing. How much can make tracking the service, test website and apps. Number three, test website and apps, because and Reliance now website and apps and getting apps and communication and this great and do you because and let's do I you why you need to become a website tester, how much do better the because private tutor, why you do the because tutor and how to match and trust make, consider the freelancing, hard freelancing part of according the Upwork study. The freelancing has been because popular at its adjustment and bring the 9 to 5 employees are the freelancing. You great the work from home, you great work from home set in the CG project and the consider and the CG. The work in relation the successfully freelance successfully feelings and that because a relation positive and think about the skill and the kit. How do you because the freelancer if you create Upwork freelancing and put and this the make and gratefuls and how much the create and because the freelancer make also freelancer make is recent because virtual as 10 the friends I can suggest ideas the how to extra earn at home and 10 ideas, the looking away to these ideas, the start blocking texting and etc, the start blocking and why you need blocking and how to make blocks and monies, think part of service, why you do this start and think of service, and that's how to match money and uh, mm, mm. Lot of videos, but this is the video. A lot of keyword. They start blogging and take money survey and because virtual assistant helper and virtual assistant. This is the how to assistant. The need to because a virtual assistant and consider the how to because virtual assistant the organism or defense in virtual assistant. Why you do need the virtual assistant? How much do you make money help and brand with their marketing and social media advertising, SEO, search engine marketing, influencer marketing, community, etc. How much to market make because the copywriting, work at a data entry specialist, and the launch online business. Thank you, my friend. Best of luck.